Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This is Blockchain Vitals, and it's our weekly edition. Not only is it weekly, but we got a monthly and a quarterly roll, all here wound into the same segment. Good morning in Asia, and happy April. April Fools for some. And very excited to be here. I'm a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix, all digitized in our trading. Please follow us at EndoTech_IO and at HFR from the floor. Now from the matrix or any electronic trading vehicle I can get my hands on. So it is April in Asia. Good morning. And a new quarter, a new month, a new week. So much to talk about in price discovery. Excuse me. Let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, my chance to talk about a tweet or a headline or something I'm seeing in the asset class that is intriguing, interesting, or just downright cool. And for me, this one was really cool. Adjourned but not dismissed. Is blockchain's takeover of the legal industry inevitable? Talking about just the incredible potential the blockchain has to disrupt the legal industry. From contracts around real estate and making that bulletproof and a lot simpler. How nice would it be not to have to pay some lawyer on the closing, do the closing, because the blockchain just has it all and it's immutable and it's stored on the blockchain. And not only that, how about this one for the legalese? How about when you get married, you sign your divorce decree on the blockchain, and it's all taken care of in advance. So no scumbag lawyers preying on people at their weakest state in life, going through a divorce. And how great would that be? Just put them all out of business because, hey, it's right here. You signed the marriage paper. You also signed the divorce decree when you got married. We have all this stuff worked out in advance. Therefore, when you walk away, the blockchain takes care of all of the particulars of that separation. There are so many things I think that the blockchain can do, actually, that being one of them, not being sarcastic. But the legal industry could be really, there could be so many things that they just get spelled out perfectly, picture perfect clear, and put on the blockchain, immutably stored forever. And the smart contract only gets triggered when certain things happen. We do this right now in escrows, right? And it's a big business to escrow stuff and to people who watch over it. And all of those people get put out of a job if the escrowing is put on the blockchain and a smart contract. You just don't need it all. In the insurance business, incredible potential for blockchain technology to help with the bottom line because it solves so many problems just in the accounting, on the accounting side for insurance underwriting and splitting up the risk associated with policies. Anyway, it goes on and on. What I'm trying to tell you is not only is blockchain and cryptos not going away, but I cannot wait to see the things that solves and the easier it makes our lives in the future because of the nature of the contract, all right? Anyway, you know what? We need to take the vitals because I got to tell you something. There's some moonshots going on. So let's take the vitals and talk about the weekly, the monthly fractalization. Taking the vitals, my chance to talk about the ongoing price discovery and that blockchain vitals sheet. 3 different trading methodologies or systems incorporated in that sheet for your trading pleasures. And this week I will be covering Dash, one of my favorites, and currently on a major moonshot. So Dash doing very well. You know what? Hold on. Let's get an active price here for Dash. I apologize for not having this ready. I got to talk to the kid in the in the room. Who's supposed to have all this done for me? Dash right now, last 109.10, Dash 109.10. Make that 111.91. Let's go to the Bitfinex, the higher price exchange. Right, 112.48 now, still jumping, right? 112.48, completely outperforming that daily model. Still room, though, on the pivot model. 119 is the third target today. Currently above the value range, which is 107.81 to 111.08. And more importantly, that weekly up momentum has shifted to 96.07 on the weekly. And the upmo collar now on that weekly, 120.55. For me, the more interesting thing, though, is since we have rolled the April chart, now we're looking at April as the monthly. That monthly lower momentum, which Dash was one of the first ones to trade out of, 76.46 now, that monthly lower momentum. And the monthly moving average all the way up at 186.34. So we got a real parabolic looking daily chart, a becoming parabolic looking weekly chart. And when those two things happen, now we stretch and reach onto that monthly fractal. And that we got room out to 186.34, just to the monthly moving average. We don't even want to talk about what that monthly up momentum level is or what that monthly up momentum collar level is. Let's let this thing work a little bit, and if we start going parabolic, we can talk about those levels. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing in Dash. I've talked extensively about Dash. I've been cheering it for weeks and months. The use case is phenomenal, proven out and borne out in Venezuela. People using it every day. You can buy a Jimmy John's pizza with your Dash in Venezuela. Don't tell me it's not a currency. If I can order a large deluxe with extra pepperoni and pay in Dash, that seems like currency to me. All right, listen, I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd. I'm going to talk the rest of this Blockchain Vital sheet, the top 12, talking about the weekly and monthly fractal. If you want this, the actionable trading content of all of these things that I will be speaking of, please go to EndoTech.io and subscribe. And not only will you get the full segment here, but the opportunity to turn on the ET bot and let the ET bot do the trading for you. Multiple portfolios available, along with a lot more on that EndoTech.io website. Anyway, see you later, YouTube. Have a great week. I'll see you tomorrow. But we're going to continue now as soon as I click them out of here.